Okay, students, we are going to review just a little bit about our multiplying 3-digit to 1-digit using area models. So let's say that we have a problem like, need the pen again, 678 times 4. What is the very first thing that I need to do in order to solve this problem using an area model? Bennett?
Expanded form.
Okay, we do want to use expanded form, but before we get there, what do we want to do? Jackson?
Draw your area model.
Draw the area model. Okay, we're going back to expanded form in just a minute, and that is actually perfect. Now I drew a rectangle, and what do I have to do next, Deidre?
You have to divide the numbers, like, you have to divide 600, like, make it expanded form.
Okay, before you do that, we're still going to do something else. Karis? Jake?
We're gonna write 678 on the top of the area model and 4 on the side.
That's right. We want to label our area model before we do our expanded form, right? So we're going to draw the rectangle, label the area model, and now I'm ready for my expanded form. Raise your hand if you can tell me what the expanded form of 678 is. Ruby?
600 plus 70 plus 8.
Excellent. So now I figured out that 678 is expanded into 600 plus 70 plus 8. So now what do I do next, Wiley?
You will divide the area model into 3 parts.
Right.
600, 170, 8.
Excellent. And the 600 is bigger, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like that. But it really doesn't have to be exact, does it? So I have 600 here, I have 70, and I have my 8. And really, these lines represent almost plus, don't they?
Yes.
Okay? So we've separated our area model, and now what is the next step that I need to do? Sarah?
Multiply 4 times 600, 4 times 70, and 4 times 8.
Okay, so she said 4 times 600, 4 times 70, and 4 times 8. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. So 4 times 600, and I like for the whole class to call out, 4 times 6 is?
24.
And so if I add my 2 zeros, 4 times 600 makes it?
2,400.
Excellent. All right, the next one I'm going to say 4 times 70. And so first I say 4 times 7 is?
35.
28.
Ooh, what's 4 times 7? 28. And so 4 times 70 is?
280.
280. The next thing I'm going to do is say 4 times 8. So 4 times 8 equals?
32.
Okay, now raise your hand if you can tell me my final step in solving with using an area model. Jack?
You add up all these answers.
I'm going to add up all of my numbers. Okay, and so 0 plus 2 is?
2.
8 plus 3 is?
11. 1 down,
1 plus 4?
5.
Plus 2?
7.
2 plus nothing?
2.
So my answer is?
2,712.